Okay, question 7 wants us to sketch this curve here. Indicating the line of symmetry and stating the polar coordinates of the point on the curve which is furthest away from the pole. So let's draw the curve first, and then hopefully we'll be able to work out what the line of symmetry is, and we should be able to spot what the maximum point is as well. So to draw this curve, and we're only going from 0 to half pi, so it's only the first quadrant that we need. I'll add some circles. I would, if I was doing this in a real exam, I would be tempted to take a compass and a protractor in, just so that I can get my angles nice and accurate. I'm guessing it's going to go up to 5, so that's why I've gone for 5. Okay, so I'm going to add some angles on as well. Now, because I'm also quite OCD about this, I'm going to use a protractor. You can just estimate it if you like. So what should we do? We've got, let's do pi over 2, pi over so we've got pi over 2, pi over 4, let's do pi over 8, so that's like there, and 3 pi over 8 is going to be like there. Okay, so if I just draw those lines on, we've got pi over 4, oops, pi over 8, 3 pi over 8. Right, so to get the values that we want, I'm going to use my Casio calculator to set up a function, an equation, which I'll show how to do this in a different video. It's really a useful way to get accurate graphs quickly, rather than having to type in all the numbers one at a time. So we're going from 0 to pi over 2 in steps of pi over 8. Okay, so my first value is 0, so at the origin has a point, 3.55, so 1, 2, 3.5 is like there. 5 is my next coordinate, then it goes back down to 3.55, so that's like there, and then 0 again. So if we join those points together, that's the kind of shape we're looking at. So yours would be a smoother curve than mine, but that's the idea that you're after. So just to finish off the question then, we can see that pi over 4 is a line of symmetry, or theta equals pi over 4 is a line of symmetry. It's not asked us to prove it, so we don't have to use the method that you'll have been shown in class. To prove it, we just have to, just a state or indicate. And state the polar coordinates of the point P on the curve, which is the furthest away from the pole. So P is this point here. The coordinate of that for P then is going to be pi over 4 for theta and 5 for r.